Hey guys. How's everyone doing today? Happy Thursday. Thursday, October 15th. Can you believe it? Where does the time go? I'm saying, I know we've been quarantined and things have been a little bit different this year, but are you with me that I feel like the weeks have just been flying by? And maybe it's because we've got so much going on between all of the fantastic live jewelry making tutorials that we have here and the really fun new products we've been releasing. We've been busy here at JJB, but it feels, it's felt very important to keep ourselves busy and our hands active and our minds moving, so that we can fill the void of, going out and being, and having to be socially distanced, to fill that void with some creativity and some new pops of fun. Hi, Esther. Hi, Gina. Hey, Donna. Hi, Sarah Ellis. Okay, Sarah Ellis is here. Good. I'm glad. So, guys, we have been talking so much about Destination North Pole. That has been what has been the front runner with me and Sarah Ellis and the whole team at JJB, Beetle On, Silver Silk, Jewels from the Jewel Loom. We have had a lot of planning involved for our holiday workshop event that is coming up in December. So Sarah and I were talking hey guys, there's only 35 spots left. Hey guys, there's only 50 spots left. You better go and nail your spot. Well, so it turns out we just did a final count today to account for everyone that signed up for the payment plans back in September and everyone that paid in full. And as it turns out, we have a few more extra spots to fill, which I'm very excited about, because I thought we were at the end of our road, and there were people that have been commenting man, I wish you guys could do the payment plan again, or I'd love to do it, but just 150 all in one shot is too much for me. So, ask and you shall receive. We are reopening our payment plan up for you guys. We have a 3-month payment plan. It's 3 installments of $49, and that is available until October 21st. We can't extend it any longer than that, but we did have some people asking, and we want as many of you guys to be involved as possibly can. We have so much fun here on a weekly basis with Sarah Ellis's lives that she does here on Jesse James Beads, and there is so much fun planned for Destination North Pole. If you've been thinking about it and the 150 all at once seems like too much, we've got the payment plan option open for you. Okay, so I have the link right up top there. You can go and click on it. And I just want to quickly go over real quick the projects that we're going to be doing. And I think Sarah and I will hop on a Facebook Live later down the road to explain them a little bit more. But again, spots are limited for this thing, and we only have the payment plan option until October 21st. So if you've been thinking about it, today or this weekend is your time to hop to. So we have got 3 days of holiday workshop fun for Destination North Pole. The first day is December 3rd, and the theme for that day is gifts giving. So these are going to be 3 projects taking place on December 3rd in our Destination North Pole group, where you will learn how to make some special projects that maybe you will have the beads in your Destination North Pole kit to create them, but then maybe you'll want to recreate it on your own with some other beads in your stash. We've got the Carry a Bead necklace featuring beads of courage that will be taught by Sarah Ellis. Then we'll have the Dream Weaver pendant featuring the Jewel Loom taught by Sarah Ellis and Juliana Avalar. That's going to be awesome. And all of our campers, all of our holiday campers will be receiving a Jewel Loom in their Destination North Pole kit. So that's wow, exciting. Thank you, Beetle On, for helping us make that happen. Then on the third project for the gifts giving day, December 3rd, will be the Whimsy Wonder earrings featuring dress it up buttons and a gorgeous array of beads. I started posting some for this one on social media. This is the cookies and cocoa bead mix that you've been seeing around with the white glass pearls and the sparkly brown rounds and little gingerbread men. That's going to be the 3rd earring that we teach on our first day of Destination North Pole. The second day of workshops is Wednesday, December 9th. And this day's theme is called Holiday Party. So we'll be making all kinds of jewelry that you would wear to a holiday party. Whether it's a holiday party that takes place over Zoom on your couch, or you're just dressing up to watch Miracle on 34th Street with your family. Or maybe you've got a socially distanced family party that you want to, have a little extra glitz to. Hang on a second. Oh shoot. Hang on a second. The classes that we will be teaching for that day is the Dreaming of a White Christmas Glitzy Handmade Tassel Necklace by Sarah Ellis. Then we'll have the Ugly Christmas Sweater Earring Party featuring Meredith Roddy, Sarah Ellis, and myself. We're going to make some deliciously gaudy Christmas earrings. That bead mix has got jingle bells in it and little glitter covered Christmas lights and tassels and beads, of course. And I just can't wait to see what Sarah Ellis and Meredith and myself cook up for that party. It is going to be really fun. And then the third class for the holiday party taking place on December 9th is the Evergreen Snowfall Bracelet featuring Neelay Patel and 3 custom-made silver silks. So that's our second day of Destination North Pole. Our third one is Traditions Around the World. We've got Trim the Tree with Wyatt White and Meredith Roddy. Wyatt is going to teach us how to make handmade ornament hooks, beautiful ornament danglers using 18 gauge wire and some boho beads and glitzy sparkle from Jesse James. And of course, Wyatt is just the master at doing wire working. So that one is definitely going to be a fun one and so practical to be able to make some cool Christmas ornament danglers. Following right after that is Meredith Roddy teaching us how to make netted ornaments. Everyone will be receiving a globe ornament and we'll be netting seed beads around them. And Meredith is very good at teaching. So though that project may seem a little daunting, it seems a little daunting to me. I know Meredith is such an excellent teacher that she'll walk us through that one step by step. Okay, I have someone here saying, Sarah Ellis, how do we access the payment plan? Annette, what you want to do is just click the link right above here on Facebook. That's going to take you right to the payment plan option. Okay, it's $49. It'll charge you today, 30 days from now, another 30 days from that. So we want everyone to come. So if this helps you guys come and join us for our holiday workshop event, then good. Okay, 3 more projects on Traditions Around the World. This day, we technically have 5 projects. If you take the ornament hook and the netted ornament with Meredith and Wyatt, that's actually 2 projects. Then we've got the Festival of Lights Pinch and Twist Necklace, taught by Meredith at 3 p.m. Then at 5 p.m., Flores de Nochebuena, wire poinsettia pendants. We'll be doing a poinsettia project with Sarah Ellis. And then finally, we have our one final tradition for our December 16th Traditions Around the World themed day of Destination North Pole. And Sarah Ellis will be working with myself, Sarah James, to teach you a project that is to be decided using this gorgeous Santa's Workshop strand. If you want to see the products that are involved, we have some of the bead mixes and the strands that are going to be going into these kits pictured up on the Jesse James website. The payment plan link is right up there. That's available until October 21st. Yay. Oh, you guys are awesome. Thanks so much for joining. And thanks for, just being interested in doing something cool and unique around the holidays. We did summer camp this summer because there weren't any bead shows, and we miss hanging out with our people in person and the brands that we work with all the time. So Jesse James Beads decided, let's do our own thing online. Let's have our own group here where we can talk to each other and inspire each other and, just have some good old clean fun. So we'll be having some merrymaking coming up this holiday season. Get ready for the holiday hijinks that are going to be happening here at the Destination North Pole, private to just our enrollees here on Facebook. And for anyone that is involved, we'll have the videos available for you to watch on replay again and again and again. So I know there's a lot of information. I was just given the information this morning that we had a couple extra spots available. So that's why we have the payment plan available to you. and I hope that you will come and join us this December. See you guys later. Thanks so much for being here. Bye.